So I'm trying to figure out what you got going on. You was trying to hide, huh? You were trying to hide from me? Huh? You was trying to hide from me and sneak on by, but I seen you. Okay, you don't have to be scared. I'm gonna let you go on your way, okay? Oh, look, what? You got some babies coming to you, just trying to find some food. Well, I hope you find some, okay? I'll see you some other time. Haha. Gotta be more careful. Gotta be quicker than that.
Look, it's a falcon, guys. Falcon. Hanging out. Oh, I'm just passing through, don't mind me.
Feralaero to the rescue. Oh, now I've been hearing meow, 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 meow underneath the murder tree. Normally, I let the mama get it, and I distract the dog. What you doing in here, love? Meow, meow. Hey, you. Hey, you. Oh, baby. Listen, no place for a kitty. Don't you know it's a hurricane out here, love? Did you not know? I know. There's a whole hurricane out here. And you just... Where your mammy at? Where your mammy at? Where your mammy at? Huh? Well, I don't know. Tell you what I do. I'm gonna put you somewhere. And not a moment too soon, I guess. Kinda crazy. Calm down. Calm down. Stop moving. You wanna stay warm or not? Just to add on to the story, I just cut on this lamp. None of the power is on, but I was looking for something for this cat to warm up in, and I just cut the lamp on. Like, I forgot that the power's out. Like, let me cut on this lamp, and it's on. Nothing else would turn on. It's crazy, right?